Welcome to Module 6, Settings section. In this module, we'll go over how to add and manage employees or drivers into the system. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the Settings tab and then click on Employees. This is where you can add both your employees and your drivers to the system. To add an employee or driver, click on the green plus sign. You'll then be prompted to fill in the required information: first name, last name, email address, and phone number. The email address is important because it will be used as the username for the employee or driver to log into the tracker or the driver app. Now I've filled in all the information necessary. Please note that each employee or driver must have a unique email address. No two users can share the same email in the system. Once you've entered this information, click Next. If you're adding a driver, you'll also need to input the driver's home address. This is important for route optimization, as it allows the route to end closer to their home rather than returning to the pharmacy. Once the address is entered, click on the correct address in the dropdown. After, click Next to continue. Now you'll need to assign a role for a new employee or driver. There are a few options to choose from. First is Dispatcher. This role has all the capabilities of the main login, except for access to the billing section. This is primarily used for nurses in the field and won't be applicable in most cases. Finally is Driver. This is the role used for your delivery drivers. For most users, you'll either select Driver or Dispatcher. Once the role is selected, click Next to confirm. Once the information is confirmed, click Next again. Now the employee has been created, so now I can click Finish. If you want to edit the employee's information, go to Actions and click Edit. From here, I can edit the employee's information, such as their phone number, address, or whatever specific role. But please note that you cannot change the email address, as this email is tied to the actual account. So if a driver needs to change their email, you are going to have to create a new account for them. Once you make all the necessary changes, click OK and this will save the information. That concludes Module 6. In this module, we learn how to add employees and drivers in the RxMile system. We also learn how to assign roles such as dispatcher, driver, or caregiver. And finally, we learn how to edit employee information. Thank you for watching this module, and we'll see you in the next one.